Like if you're in your early 20s, you have to risk it all. You have to work day and out. You have to experience burnout when you're in your 20s. You have to do that. But everything that I have ever dreamed of, I have it now. Even much more. I'm driving my dream car. I'm living in my dream home with my dream girlfriend.
Masasabi ba natin na si Alec Cuenca ngayon ay contented na or gusto pa ng next level? At what's your take with work-life balance?
Okay. So, I'm gonna turn 30 next year. Magta 30 pa lang ako. But everything that I have ever dreamed of, I have it now. Even much more. I'm driving my dream car. I'm living in my dream home with my dream girlfriend. Like, I just have a really, really happy life. And honestly, if I retire right now, I'll be so good. But again, for me, I know na iba yung magiging journey ko in my 30s and my 40s. And I don't have a specific parang next game plan pa for the next 10 years, but I know that I trust the process. Like everything that I've been experiencing up until this point, dadali niya ako dun sa next level ko. Pine-prepare pa lang ako nitong 20s ko dun sa 30s ko. So I definitely believe that there's more for me in store for me. Even though I don't know up yet, I'll leave it to God. I'll leave it to God na kung ano man plano niya sa akin, susundin ko lang. And when it comes to work-life balance, um, I do believe that it's based on seasons. If you're young, like if you're in your early 20s, you have to risk it all. You have to work day and out. You have to experience burnout when you're in your 20s. You have to do that so that you can get a lot of data in your life na okay, ito yung gusto kong gawin, ito yung ayaw kong gawin. Because when you're nearing like your 30s, 20, maybe late 20s, dun mo na ma-realize na, dun na mabubuo kung sino ka. And then pag na-realize mo na okay, ito yung gusto kong gawin, ito ako, in your 30s, you start to build your empire. You start to build something that you want for yourself. So yeah. And in your 30s, doon ka na pwede medyo mag-balance ng konti na hindi ka na 24/7 nagtatrabaho, you have your weekends back, you're more chill. 40s, hopefully, do the same thing. Less naman, maybe 50% work, 50%, but yeah, I don't believe in the work-life balance. I'm more of a work-life integration in a sense, depending kung nasa ang phase ka ng buhay mo.